Product catalogs become much easier to design when you start with the right layout. Open Canva and search for Product Catalog in the template library. You'll find catalog designs for fashion, electronics, furniture, beauty products, and many other industries. Browse through the collection to understand the different layout styles available. Click on several templates to preview their pages. Look for designs that organize products neatly with space for images, prices, descriptions, and specifications. A clean layout helps customers browse products more comfortably. When you find a suitable